Hello and welcome. If you're actually seeing this, then I somehow was able to upload my first ever video after all of these years of being a member of YouTube, of watching YouTube videos, of commenting on YouTube videos, of moderating for some YouTube videos. Now, finally, at long last, I hope I am recording my first video. If you're seeing this, then hooray! It worked! Hallelujah. If you're watching this by accident and you don't know me, I'm Southern Belle. I'm from New Orleans. I come from a long line and lineage and history of Southern ladies in my family. And hopefully on my channel, you'll see lots of Southern charm, lots of Southern hospitality. And whether you are Southern, or you're just Southern by choice, or you're just Southern while watching this, I invite you to sit back, relax, maybe even put your feet up, and enjoy the video. So today's video is going to be, well, you'd think since I have the camera pointed to a purse that it's about purses. And while purses are going to be my example, it could really be about anything. I want to talk about buying and selling. Well, wait, that almost sounds like stocks. But I want to talk about the things in your house. How many of y'all are frugal? I have to admit, I am frugal, and I hate to throw things away. Even when I need to, even when they are no longer perfect or ideal, I hate to throw things away. And the reason I'm showing you this purse is I'm thinking about throwing it away. Now, you're probably saying, Belle, that looks like a nice purse. Why in the world are you thinking about throwing that away? Because just look at this hardware here. It still looks pretty nice, doesn't it? Look at the zipper pull. Also looks pretty nice. And I have to tell you, I love this purse. This is a hard to find color. In the screen, it kind of looks navy, but it's much lighter than navy because on camera, navy almost looks black. So therefore, it's hard to find a purse that isn't as light as turquoise, isn't as dark as navy, because I tend to have lots of pants and skirts where I need a medium color navy, but not a dark navy. So I've loved this purse and I've used it a ton because of the coloring. And you ladies out there know that blues are hard to match. You think when you're looking in the store that, oh yeah, when I get that home, that'll match fine. And then you get it home and you realize, oh, it's kind of a purpley blue, or it's lighter than I thought, or it's more of a gray blue, or it's dustier than I thought. Well, in addition to the color being so hard to find, I want to show you the other side of the purse and reveal my purse shame. Do you see right here? It's coming off a little bit. I still love the purse. Look how thick and full the strap is. Another thing I like about the purse is, look, it has side compartments. So I like that a lot too. The inside is filled with stuff, but it has compartments and pockets there. It holds a ton of stuff. This is a purse that I've really used a lot, and I love a lot because it holds a lot, and I am the kind of lady that tends to carry around a lot of stuff. So what I want to talk to you about today is, when do you throw something out? Do you throw something out just because you're tired of it? Do you throw something out because you got something better and you don't want to keep too much stuff? Why do you throw things out? Pause the video right now and go to the comments and you tell me why you throw things out. The next thing I want to talk about is, when you do throw things out, is it because there's something wrong with it? Do you ever keep things just because you like them, even though there is something wrong with it? Because I love this purse, but yet I look at this all the time and I think, oh no, and I'm embarrassed. And this is where the purse shame comes in. Now, I know that purses are often a status symbol for women. I don't quite understand why a purse is a status symbol. Maybe it's because we carry purses all the time. I know for guys, a status symbol is usually a watch. I have to admit that I'm not a person who has a lot of name brand purses. I tend to just try to match the color that I'm wearing with the color of the purse. I just have a hard time spending money on fancy stuff, and I don't usually receive name brand stuff. I don't usually receive anything at all, to tell you the truth. So therefore, you have to ask yourself, can I really afford to spend that much on a purse? Can I really afford to spend it all? And I have to say, I'm a person who just doesn't treat herself. Do y'all treat yourself? I always hear people say, oh, you should treat yourself. And while that seems like a great concept, I feel guilty. Because I think, oh, I could use this money to pay my electric bill. I could use this money to pay my internet bill. I could use this money to save for retirement. I could use this money to get my grass mowed. I could use this money to repair my house after Hurricane Ida. I think of so many other necessities in life that I'm going to have to pay for, that I really should put whatever money I was going to spend to treat myself on those necessities. Do any of y'all ever feel that way? Or is it just me? So then I come back to, should I throw this purse away because of this mar? So the second question I want to ask you and talk about today is, when do you replace something? Do you replace something before you need it? Do you just take the time, the hours of the day, and go out shopping just to shop? Do you let yourself spend that time just wandering around? Do you go ahead and buy something even if you don't need something? That way, when something like these happen, you can throw it away without thinking about it, because, hey, you have a replacement just sitting on your purse shelf or your purse tower, your purse closet, wherever you store your purses. And boom, there it is, ready to go. Or do you wait until you have need, and then you spend the time searching, hoping, praying you can find it, and spending however many countless hours, because now you have the urgency of needing to buy to replacement? Or, third choice, do you just not replace it? Or wait until you've thrown it out, you have nothing, and you're like trying to use either a purse that is the wrong color, or trying to just fill your pockets with things. I know that there are so many styles and types of purses, and most people would say you don't necessarily need a purse in every color, or they would say you don't need a purse in every style. But I personally like these satchel purses. I find these straps so convenient to carry around. I have a lot of shoulder pain, so the shoulder bags tend to bother my shoulders, especially with the amount of weight I put in my purses. And the crossbody ones, I feel like accentuate the chest, or just uncomfortable on my chest, kind of like a seatbelt is uncomfortable on your chest. Of course, a seatbelt you have to wear. You do not have to wear a crossbody purse. Ergo, back to the fact and the reason that I have this purse. So in the comments, tell me if you think I should go ahead and let this purse go. I just can't decide. I love it and I want to keep it. I don't have a replacement for it. I really don't want to spend hours and hours and hours going from store to store shopping for it. I don't want to buy another one. I don't want to buy the gas to go there. But yet, I don't have another purse that is this color to go with my outfits that are this shade of blue. And I'm kind of a matchy-matchy person, so I'm trying to decide what to do. And some of y'all may be saying, oh, it doesn't matter what the color is. It doesn't matter what the style is. When it gets the first little blemish, just throw it out. You know, maybe I should have gone live with this. Then y'all could have answered my questions live, and we could have had a lively debate of when you throw things out, when you buy new things. Since this video was really about buying and selling and the right time. Although now that I say that, once again, it sounds like the stock market, even though I'm just talking about the price of purses. But really, purses are kind of like stocks, because we ladies put stock in our appearance. We put stock in our grooming. And because purses are considered a status symbol for women, therefore it's kind of a stock in a certain way, isn't it? Well, I can't wait to read your comments. I can't wait to even see who finds this video, who reads this video. If you're interested in hearing more from me, more of the things that I think about, wonder about, worry about on a daily basis, then you might want to press the subscribe button. You might even want to click notifications in case I decide to go live to talk about this whole purse quandary, or perhaps with another confession of my purse shame, or perhaps some other confession. You never know what other shameful items that I might have lurking that I'm debating about throwing away, but maybe I need a little push from my friends on YouTube to say, it's okay to let it go. Or to say, no, don't let it go. You should keep that. Because I really value what you say, what you think. Sometimes when you watch a video, you think, oh, it doesn't make a difference. Whoever the creator of the channel is, they're not listening. Well, I can guarantee you, with this being my first video, I am absolutely going to listen, absolutely going to read the comments, going to respond, assuming I can get this uploaded. I am such a tech dummy. I am trying so hard to learn and to show that you can teach an old dog new tricks. Thank you ever so much for watching this video. If you will, give it a thumbs up. Not because it's a great video and not because it has great film, because it doesn't, but just as an applaud for trying, for figuring out how to upload it, and for starting this new adventure, because I could really use some encouragement. Okay, well, have a blessed day, everybody. And as we say in New Orleans, laissez bon temps rouler, which means let the good times roll. Roll in your life, roll in your heart, roll in your soul. Roll on and on and on. Bye.